Wizards.
Hong Kong Wizards.
Okay.
Okay, sir. We're from Team Travelers. We're coming from this Infal.
So once again, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. Today, we're hosting a 7th Open Winter Basketball Tournament in Ukhrul District. Welcome you all to 3v3 on-field tournament.
My name is Arnold. I'm the team captain for Air Assaults that we came from Infal.
Oh, from Infal?
Yes.
So it's a mixture team or just from one tribe or
We're
community?
a mix. We have Rongmais and we have Mering on our team. So we came from Infal East and West combined, all the districts.
Great. Welcome to Ukhrul, yeah.
Thank you.
So, what's your thought about this basketball tournament and what do you want to say about this tournament to Ukhrul district people and to play Ukhrul basketball players?
It's my third time joining, so it's my third year here. First, I thought it was very good because we thought basketball was only in Infal, but now it's even in Ukhrul, so we're really grateful for the Wildest Club. And concerning about the the basketball play itself, it's actually really fun because everybody's coming here in the spirit of sportsmanship, brotherhood. There's no jealousy, there's no bias. We just want to play hoop. And as for the level, it's seriously getting very close to our Manipur state level team. So
okay, Tangkul basketball players.
yes,
right?
Tangkul basketball players are really getting close. They're really talented.
Yeah.
There's not much exposure. Even this year, the state tournament for Kamzong and Ukhrul was cancelled, so it was very unfortunate.
Oh.
But if it comes back, I'm pretty sure the tribal teams will actually come on top compared to the Infal teams. I think if there's more tournaments, there's a lot of good players in Ukhrul, lots of good players. We just don't know. Even in the tournament we're at right now, there might be a few players who are missing out. So if we have more tournaments, we'll have more talents coming up. So it's a really good thing, and I hope it happens.
And how do you feel about Ukhrul weather?
Ukhrul weather is lovely. I encourage everyone to visit.
Yeah.
You can't describe.
Yeah, it's unpredictable. Ukhrul weather is very unpredictable.
Very
Even
unpredictable.
now, see, it's.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Okay, thank you so much.
My name is Rangam and I come from this Infal. And I'm joining this Hong Kong Wizards team.
Hong Kong Wizards.
Yeah, Hong Kong Wizards.
Okay.
My friend invited me, so I decided to join this year.
Okay, so is it your first tournament in Ukhrul or
No, actually this is the third time I've been here.
third time?
Yeah, the first was in that full court 2022, and then last year, and then this year. It's been 3 continuous years I've been participating.
It's good to be, it's good to have you again here in Ukhrul.
Thank you.
Anytime you're welcome in the future as well.
Mine.
Yeah. So since you are coming from Infal, how do you compare Tangkul basketball players here and in Infal?
Based on what I've seen from Infal and comparing with these players, it's just a Tangkul players are improving in the states.
Improving.
Because we can't really compare with the state because it's really advanced in the Infal state and here.
Yeah, true.
Different. The coaching and all different are here, so it's about facilities and all. No, so but in the future, I see somewhat improving players coming up from Ukhrul too. And it's a great pleasure and then experience to participate in this. Thank you.
Since you have been coming to Ukhrul for 2-3 times, how is Ukhrul weather and how is Ukhrul and
compared to Infal, it's very cold here. You're like even when you're playing, you get the feeling you're freezing. So it's kind of hard for us mainland Infal people, but still it's nice. The weather is nice and chill here.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. So anytime you're welcome and please to come if there are any more tournament. Please to come and help our Tangkul basketball players to improve through you guys, and so that they might get chance to play in Infal as well in bigger tournaments.
True.
So welcome to Ukhrul. Yeah. So if you have any last message to the organizers or to the Tangkul players,
Thank you to all the organizers for letting us participate in this and then giving us this experience. I hope in the future years there's more year to come and more tournaments held here too. Thank you for everything.
Thank you for your time. Have a good time. Yeah. Thank you.
We're from Team Travelers. We're coming from this like Infal.
Infal.
Yeah, we're all travelers. We're all mixed up.
Okay. Mix up means different tribes.
Yeah, different tribes.
Okay.
We're studying together. That's why we come. Cool is very cold.
It's very cool.
Yeah, even now we're freezing.
Do you want more tournament to host, or what's your thought regarding?
Yeah, more tournament.
Okay.
And more tournaments so that like nowadays everyone is improving, but then like if there's like better coaching players or something so that they can improve. Nowadays like everyone is going for all rounder now. Everything like even studies, football, basketball, everything should go together now.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah. So just one more question. Like, since you guys are staying in Infal, you must have been playing with so many good players from different districts, no?
Yeah,
So if you compare with Tangku basketball players, compared to other district players,
Okay.
how do you see? Like, is it bad or good?
No, they're improving very much comparing to last year. Last year I came, they're improving very much.
Okay, you came for this tournament last year as
Yeah,
well.
last year.
Okay.
Like but comparing to this, like our brothers those are staying in Valley now, they're giving proper training, so like we're a little bit down still with tribals people now.
Okay.
They're not like they're giving good facilities now. That's why there's the reason also maybe.
Okay, so we need more better facilities of basketball and more programs, right?
Guys, subscribe to Brother Yolu.
Thank you so much, and thanks for coming to Ukhrul. And welcome to Ukhrul, and enjoy Ukhrul weather. See you around. Okay. And then the team when
Zero Hoopers, yeah?
Zero Hoopers. Okay. This is manatla players pinje ram.
I remember another.
Ah.
In the Shangshak, Agana, Mushong,
Oh, man. Aganda Ari, Tata Ukhrul basketball Kongreo he Ningsang later lega, Malay Tata we take a queen.
I take William Ningsong the Lega, a bomban, Ryoka Bomba Yaga, Facilities Jam Dam.
Tata Ryoka Kitchen
Ryoka
Ryoka.
was the secretary.
She are recorded by him.
Oh,
Oh, Saint Joseph record.
Savio Lingo. They were called Kandam in the government way. Which only sing Mijilla. Kaisrael got facilities Montalu.
Acha, to ring tala, Kaiser. Oh, Takava, Tata, the Tumjatan Reo, Zati, Ukhrul tournament, Tundale, Megagata, or
Tournament here. Merculia, summer reaction in the Merculimang, summer jam, Merculimanga winter every year. Now, there, Hosada in Wilder Special.
there's yeah. Acha, okay. Jungway the Saming
To me, the Saming Sangalaga, Ziva, Ryongao, Ningsang Kaleo, cook court by the Jonida, Kaloya Jamun, the volleyball, football, Ningsang Miguel,
or basketball.
Tanguno Vinyacha, Kazimzam, no. Basketball facilities in Taming.
Achieve Nimshware, Majada, Jungway, Limish, relatively to Mishopra, Pavaka,
Sashi learning that Tanguno being Bunglak,
actually, Martin Ari players, tribe they went to copy and Qatar link at Realm did later later, no, Ningly keep hunting that. Impact at when keep them quick by
is about at whom we get Anglo, at whom Kangyo, at Shuda. The thing they don't think at whom that discipline, game spirit. I might need the limit cell
at whom got the clean, yeah? Oh, I think share the initiative in my hammer. I met Scavat finishes.
First match with Clash like the gas again match for now.
League match in the Jojo Mahamir, Johnny share it to me.
Humbun Hoopers win a Shangzang. The basketball here got a upgrade chance. Usually later here, now Ningsang Line Kajunga later.
Are you too much for the basketball?
Atom Ning Sang, Itumui, Young Sang Miran, the Myang Sang Mika, Atomui, Kachanjing, Manor, Jenna, Young Sang Miran being a Young Sang Milo, upgrade the Samilu.
Takahita tournament, the Jumita, Laces, look at Hamran, Ukhrul district.
My tournament a year at a Ling Sangai,
Jumita,
Jungmeda, Ungkalia, 그디 큰이 그좀 나버네 상당히
Trời vâng là cặp nữa cô. Itum youth champion jikava knuto champion jikava hita atum summer break or winter break shooting satamli atum nik sai khambam sakai laka activities ngata ingde da yang feel ngata ingde da bongli hita ta itum quicker mi bing na quicker mi si jiba itum tangkol hi manga ba mai kharai sare ka itum singka mi ran bing quicker mi ran bing na sai ka pamau o masa ka pai le khai wang ka jamthi churi an le ka Badla in Tit Leje, the Itum Ara Nachese, Laka Saran, the Kamsal Pumsaka, Atsi, when the Manga Valley was Sapogo, Tango Simprasi, Hangai.